Hey, welcome friends, welcome to the Be Learning Club. In the previous video in this playlist I have created a rock paper scissors game with Tkinter and I have covered some basics of Tkinter. So in this video I will create an interesting thing, and that is Facebook video downloader. You can see it. So you will learn a lot of things from this video, and we will create a Facebook video downloader with Tkinter. That is a Python GUI application for Windows. And here you have to paste the video URL, and then you have to browse the path, means choose the path where you download it. So I just select this folder, downloads, and now just copy the video URL. This is a Facebook video, and now I just copy the link of this video and now paste it here. Okay, so now click on download video on HD quality or SD quality, whatever you want. I just downloaded it for HD quality, so click on HD. So just wait, and successfully downloaded in c/user/bhaskar/downloads. Okay, so just go to the path downloads, and here you can see this video has downloaded. Okay, so this is a very interesting thing and you can do it easily. I will teach you how to do. So let's start. So at first here you have to create a Python file, just name it fbdown.py, and now you have to import Tkinter. So just type from Tkinter import star, that means import all. So you have to set the Windows at first, so just type root equal tk. You already know about it because I have covered some of basics about Tkinter. Just watch that video. And now you have to set the geometry, root.geometry, and just set the dimension 600 by 600. And now you have to set the resizable, so just type root.resizable, and now put the origin value 00, and now root.title. You have to set the title of the Windows, so root.title, I just name it FB downloader, UNLOAD. And now just type root.config, and now you can choose the background color from here. So I just type blue. You can type the hex value of the color. So I just run the main loop here, root.main loop, and now save it and run it. You can see this, the Windows is ready. Now after that you have to create the interface. So just at first type label, and just type root at first, and then type text, text equal what? Text equal Facebook video downloader, Facebook video downloader. And now type the font. What are you using? So I just using this font, Arial 20, where it is, this is Arial 20 bold. You can type it here, but I love to copy and paste, you know na. So just here paste it, and obviously this is a string, Arial 20 bold. And now you have to set the background color. So just bg equal what? Bg equal white. Obviously I just choose the white color for background, and just choose the foreground color, fg foreground color, that means text color, obviously blue. I just choose it, and now I just choose a border. So just type relief equal solid, SOLID. Okay, you can see this relief is solid. Now just type pad y is 3. Just choose a number, whatever you want, and now pack it, and here I also use the pad y is 20. Okay, so now let's run it. So you can see this. I think I misspelled this, so just downloader. And here I also foreground color change blue to black, black, and now save it and run it. Just close this, and you can see this Facebook video downloader. Okay, so after now just hit enter. Now create another label, so just type label and now type root at first and then type text equal, just enter the video URL, enter the video URL, and now here obviously choose the font equal what, and now choose the background color, now choose the foreground color, and now pack this. Pad Y is 2. Okay, so just font is what? Font is Arial bold. Okay, so just paste it here, and here I don't use the size 20, I just reduce the size value to 15. And now background color obviously you can choose anything, I just choose it yellow. And foreground color is what? Foreground color I just choose it white. Foreground color, that means the text color, you can choose anything, so I just choose text color to black, and background color is white. Okay, so now save it and now run this. Sorry, pack attribute label has no attribute pack. Okay, so I think here I mistake this, so this is the capital letter P, so you have to type it into the small letter, so PACK pack, and now save it and run this. Okay, so enter the video URL. Nice, that's fine. So here just I add this and now save it, and now just here create a entry for the video URL. So just create a variable PID of video underscore URL, and video URL equal entry, entry means input field, whatever you called it, entry, and then put root, and then type the text variable. Text variable is what? Text variable, you have to create a text variable here. I just create a text variable input, input underscore URL equal string variable, string var. Okay, so here text variable is input URL, just put this input URL, and now here just choose the width, width, width is 50, and now choose the font. Here I choose just font size 20, and now you have to pack this, so I just pack it in the next line, so video URL dot PACK pack. Okay, and here you choose the pad Y value, and here just pad Y value is what? I just choose it 10. Okay, now save it and run it. Okay, so it's okay. So after that, now create another label, and pass root at first. Obviously pass root always at first, and now text, text, and text, choose the browse path, and now here just type choose browse path, that means the path where you want to download the video, and now just choose the font. Obviously font is, I just copy this font here and paste it here, and now choose the background color and the foreground color BG and FG, so I just copy this line and paste it here. Okay, so now pack it dot PACK pack, and obviously choose padding, pad Y is 3, just choose it and now save it and now run it. Okay, so I think I did some mistake, here is not anything, so label cannot invoke the label. Okay, so I think I did some mistake, font and back and pad. Okay, so sorry, root.main loop is here, I just copy this and remove this and paste it at the bottom, and now save it and now run it. Okay, so now that's fine. So after this you have to create a button for the browse path. So just type button button, and now just type root at first. Always pass the root at first. Now you have to choose the text of the button. Text is browse path, browse browse path, and now choose the font. You can choose the font here also, but I don't want to choose any font here. I just choose this font. Okay, so now paste it here, and now size is 15 and bold. Okay, that's fine. And now you have to choose a command. That means that is a function. I will create a function later, so I just remove this, and now just pack this at first, dot pack, and just choose the pad y. Okay, pad y equal 2. I just choose it and now save it and now run it. Okay, browse back, that's fine. Now here just create an entry for typing this path. So at first you have to pass the root and then type text variable equal download path. So you have to create a download path here. So I just create a download path empty string variable. So just type download download underscore path, path, and download path equal string variable string string bar. Okay, that's fine. And now put this download path here, download path, and this is the download path. And now choose the width 40, and now choose the font, and I just copy the font style from here. So just copy the font style, and now here just paste it, and now pack it. Obviously choose pad y 5. Okay, now save it and run it. Okay, you can see this. That's fine. And now here just create a button for HD download and the SD download. So just create a button for HD and SD download. So now I just copy this entry and paste I just copy this button from here and paste it here, and here just change the text download HD, and now copy this and paste it here also, and now here just type download HD. Okay, so pad by 2 and 2. Now save it. Okay, download HD and download XD. So after that I just create an empty label because I will use it later. So just create here an empty label, details, details, details equal, just type label, and now type root, and then type font, and then type relief solid, solid solid, and then type pad x and pad y, pad x 5 and padding at y equal 5. Okay, and now details dot pack, and here I also choose pad y is 10. Okay, now save it. So here you have to choose the font, and now just copy it and paste it here. Okay, so that's fine, and now run it. Okay, we have created successfully the interface, and now choose the first browser function. When you click on the browse path, then you can select the path where you want to download your Facebook video. So now here just create a browse function. So just create the browse function, and now here just type DEFBROWAC browse, and then you have to import something. So just type from Tkinter import field dialog, and now here just create this function. Here just you have to create a variable at first, download directory. So DOWN download LOAD download underscore dir equal field dialog. Already we have imported it, and then type args directory, field dialog args directory, and initial dir, and just type a string your dir path. Okay, now save it, and now after that just type DOWN down underscore path download path. We already created a download path variable here. We just set this download path. So download path dot set, and just put this value download dir. Okay, so we are set the download path value to the download dir. Okay, so now save it, and now run it at first, and just click on browse path. It's nothing because you don't use the command here. So go to button. Here is the download path, sorry, here is the browse path, and now this is the button, and now here just type command is browse function, BROWS browse function. Now save it and run it. Now you can see. Okay, so now choose any directory. Okay, this is your directory. So we have successfully created browse function. Now we will create the download HD function. So just here is the button for download HD. So type command equal DOWN LOAD download underscore HD. But if you click on this, it will import download HD function from here. You can see this. Okay, so for this I just remove this. At first you have to create the download HD function. So just DOWN LOAD download underscore HD, and now here just return 0. Okay, I just save it, and now here just use command equal download HD. Okay, so now this download HD is what? This download HD is this. Okay, so now here you can create the download HD function. So if you click on download HD button, then it will download the video for you. So at first grab the URL. So URL is what? URL is here, you can see the input URL. So I just get this input URL value. So URL equal input URL dot get the value of the input URL, and now create a small condition here. If www.facebook.com is in the URL, then URL is okay, otherwise showing some error. So just paste it here, and if www.facebook.com in URL, then URL is okay, URL equal URL. Here I use the try block also, because if you are using a short FB URL, then at first the short FB URL will convert it to long actual URL, then it will work. Okay, so at first you have to import the request. So just import request, and request.head and then pass the url.headers.location. This will convert to full length URL. Okay, otherwise showing some error. And now just copy this x equal re.match. This is nothing but a regular expression. If you don't know about this, then don't worry, I will provide all of code into the description box. Just check it and just copy this line and paste it here. So this is a regular expression, so just import re at first, and now here x equal re.match. I just want to match facebook.com is in the URL or not. re.match, then use regular expression and start with https, and I just match the facebook.com is in the URL or not. And now if it is match, if x, then what we will do? If x, then I just convert this URL to the HTML. So for this you have to type HTML equal request.get URL and pass the URL inside the get, and then type .content and .decode UTF-8. Okay, so you have to import the request. So we already import the request at first here. So now what will we do? Now if it is not converting into the HTML, then we will show an error. So just type else. So here just type else, not i.escape, else detail dot config. Detail.config is what? Here we have created empty label. So if it's showing error, so I just want to show some string, that is what? That is cannot fetch the video URL. So here I just copy it. I always love to copy and paste, and now paste it here. So now just go here and I just copy this. I will explain it, don't worry. So here just copy it and here paste it. Okay, so create a variable hd and hd equal to re regular expression dot search hd underscore source dot https is in the HTML or not. Just type this, don't do any mistake. If you do a mistake, then it will not work. Okay, so then create hd variable also, re.search hd underscore source. hd is hd source, and then type https and just search into the HTML. We just created a HTML here, and now create an empty list and then create the list variable, and the list equal hd and hd, this and this. Okay, so now type a for loop for id and value in enumerate the list. So if value not equal none, then list dot append id, and here I just want to print the list, then you will better understand the list. So if hd and hd is not none, then the list value will be 0 and 1 actually. So here hd download hd, this is the function name. So here it is command download hd. So just now run it. Okay, so here enter the video URL. So I just copy the video URL from Facebook and just paste it here, and now choose the browser path here, and now download hd. Okay, so here you can see this re.match. This is the list value. The list is this. Okay, I don't want to print the list, I just print the list only list value. So it will show 0 and 1 if hd and hd are available. So again I just run it, and now paste the video URL, choose the browser path, and now click on download hd. So you can see 0 and 1. Okay, that means hd and hd both are available. So after that just create a basic condition. So just paste it here. If the length of list equal to then details.config, and then I assign a text, both HD and HD are available. If the first value of the list equals 0, then only HD are available. If the first value of the list is 1, then only HD is available. And if length of list equals 0, then no HD and HD are available. You can create these and you cannot, you can create these, you don't want to create this, then it's okay. So just save it and now download it. So at first you have to search for the source of the video. So just copy this and paste it here. This is the regular expression again. So just paste it here. So just search for the HD source link in the HTML. What is the HTML? This. Okay. And after that, get the file size request. Okay. So just copy it and paste it here. So file size request equal request.get and the video URL is this. If the video URL is true, then that means if this URL is exist HD source, then we get the stream equal true and video URL. And now you have to create a block size variable 1024 and then choose a file name. So I just copy both of them and paste it here. Create a block size and now choose a file name equal to datetime.strftime datetime.now. You have to import the datetime. You can choose file name whatever you want. So here from datetime import datetime. So just type from datetime import datetime, and now here you can see datetime.strftime datetime.now, and this is a little bit of format of datetime. And now just you have to choose the path where you download your video. So just copy this path and now just paste it. So path equal download path.get. What is the download path? We already created this download path. Here I think here you can see this download path. So just download path.get. This path is in capital, so this will be small letter. Okay, so just this is a small mistake. And now download.path.get. Okay, it's fine. And now just download it. So I just copy it and paste it here. And now okay, so with open os.path.join this path with file name. So os.path.join this path with file name, and then extension is .mp4 and open it write mode. And as if you already know about with open, so you have to import the OS also. Import OS, and now here just type with open os.path.join and join the path with file name, and extension is .mp4 with open the file in write mode. Okay, then create a loop for data in file size request. What is the file size request? We already created it. File size request dot iter content. What is the iter content? Iter content is the attribute in the file size request. And now pass the block size and then type app.write data. Okay, so you now copy the URL and paste it. Now you can download the video from Facebook. Okay, so after download complete, I just want to show a message. So for this, just type messagebox.showinfo and type your message. So just paste it here. Messagebox.showinfo HD downloaded, successfully downloaded in path str. You have to convert this path into str. So I just concatenate this string with this string. Okay, so here you can see the comma. The first is the heading and this is the message. Okay, so now you have to import the message box obviously. So from Tkinter import message box and now save it. Okay, now everything is fine. Okay, so here is a button command download HD. We will create download HD the function later. So at first I just run it. So close this and run it and browse the path. Select the path and copy the Facebook video URL and now paste it here, and now click on download HD, and you can see HD downloaded and successfully downloaded into the path. Okay, so just go to the path downloads and here you can see the download. Okay, I just delete both of them and now again I just downloaded it. So just run it and paste the URL, choose the path and now download HD. Successfully downloaded in. Okay, so now go to the downloads folder. Here you can see this. Okay, the video has been downloaded successfully. So this is the HD quality video, and now I do same for HD. So for this you have to do nothing else more. So just copy this function, download HD function, and now paste it here again, and this time change the name download HD to download HD, and here you have to change also. So here video URL re.search HD source. This time you are not searching for HD source, this time you are searching for HD source. So now save it and now it's fine, and here just type command command equal download HD. Okay, and now it's fine. Button text download HD. So we add command download HD into the button download HD. So now run it. At first I just delete this and paste the video URL here. What is it? Remove this, close it and again run it. And at first you have to copy the link and paste it here and browse the path, download, select the path and click on download HD. Okay, and now click on HD. Okay, so now go to the downloads folder. You can see both of them. So I just right click and go to properties, and you can see this is 551 KB. That means this is the HD quality, and here I just want to check the size, and here you can see this is 3.97 MB. That means this is the HD quality video. So in this way you can create a Facebook video downloader with Python. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in next video. Don't forget to follow the playlist. This playlist will be amazing. So thank you friends. Thank you.